In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your file is ready to use inside your notebook. First, head over to NotebookLM in your browser. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in with your Google account before the workspace appears. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land on the main dashboard where your notebooks are listed. If you're new to NotebookLM, don't worry, everything you need is right on the home screen. Next, either create a new notebook or open one you've already started. Use a new notebook if this PDF begins a fresh topic or project. Opening an existing one is perfect if the file belongs with research you've already collected. A quick tip here. Naming your notebook clearly now will make it much easier to find later, especially if you plan to upload several sources over time. Inside your notebook, look for the option to add sources. This is where NotebookLM pulls in the materials it will reference when you ask questions or generate summaries. Clicking Add Sources opens a panel that keeps all your references organized. Think of it like a library shelf for your research within that specific notebook. Choose Upload Files. Your file picker will open and you can browse to the PDF you want to bring in. Select your PDF and confirm the upload. If your file is large, you might see a brief progress indicator. Just let it finish. For best results, make sure your PDF contains selectable text rather than only scanned images. Searchable text helps NotebookLM analyze content more accurately. If you're working with a scan, consider running it through OCR beforehand. It also helps to use a clear file name so you can recognize it quickly in your source list. Once the upload completes, click the source in your list to open the source overview. Here you'll see the title, pages, and other details that confirm the PDF was processed correctly. Skim a few sections to make sure the text looks clean and complete. From this overview, you can quickly jump to key sections, verify that headings and tables came through, and get a feel for how NotebookLM will use this document when you start asking questions or creating summaries. If anything seems off, recheck your original PDF and try the upload again. That's it, your PDF is now in NotebookLM and ready to power your research.